All right, the puppies just woke up from a nap, So I am putting them in the litter box, and these are the little toys and blankets that they're gonna bring home. So I laid them all out, and Gunther there was promptly dragging his blanket into the litter box. I don't let them play with them too much because I don't want them to get too smelly and dirty before you bring them home. But I do want them to get some smell. So try to reduce the number of trips to the litter box that the toys have to go through. Are you going potty? Yep. So this is the first time they have played with their take-home toys. I actually got these little blankets. I like to buy fleece fabric, but these ones I found, they're actual blankets, and I cut it up, and in retrospect, I should have cut the trim off first, and I didn't. So you see that? It won't take long probably for somebody to find a loose thread and start unraveling the edge. But hopefully not, but we'll see. There he goes. Everybody into the litter box. Silly puppies. Take your toys out. Silly boy, Gunther. They all do it. So they just had another bath. Itchy. Good girl, Lola, for potty. Good girl. Good girl for potty. They always try to grab my arm. Sometimes puppies scoot too. We did do vaccinations and deworming the past week. So, but as far as I know, scooting is not necessarily a bad thing. I don't know much about it, but my sister's a groomer, and she said that they release their anal glands by scooting. I don't know about puppies this age, but I guess if they don't scoot, they can get impacted. We've never had that happen, so I guess I figure if they see them scooting, then they're doing something productive. But I suppose if they did it excessively, I might look into other reasons. Boopity boop. I love it when they discover the squeaker. Hi, Gunther. Gunther, hi. It's gonna be quiet around here after these guys leave. I could definitely take videos of older dogs, like adults and teenagers, but I just don't know if that would be interesting to you guys. So you'll have to let me know. Good boy for potty. Out of the litter box. Come on. Silly willies. Silly Gunther. Silly. You love your litter box. Well, I just wanted to squeeze in one last video. So this might be the last one for a while. But feel free to stay in touch. Email is the best way to get a hold of us. And we have our Facebook page too, but email is usually the best way to reach me. It's a showdown between brothers. Whoops. Good girl, Paquita. Good girl for potty. Good girl. In my last video, I talked about, actually, not my last video, 2 videos ago, I think, I talked about itchy puppies. And different reasons why they might be scratching. Today, I think they're scratching because they just had a bath earlier. Good boy, Blue, for potty. Good boy. Good boy for potty. Good boy. Pumpkin says hi. She's lounging in the office. Alrighty, well, I'll say goodbye for now.